Woohoo! Nice. $32.22, $34.90. SD40-2, Indiana, Ohio locomotive at Ohio Central.
Hello everyone and welcome back to another video with Outdoor Adventures of Austin Miller. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Here's a video of some pictures and videos I took of my fishing trip yesterday as I made a return to Hoover Dam Reservoir as I finally caught my first ever fish out of Hoover Dam Reservoir. I also fished at a couple of different fishing spots as well, including Alum Creek Lake, where I also caught my first fish. And I also fished at a pond at Alum Creek State Park. I hope you guys enjoy watching. Feel free to comment below what you guys think. Alright guys, hope you guys are having a wonderful Friday. I'm getting ready to go fishing at Hoover Dam. Hoover Reservoir, so hopefully this time I catch a fish this time at Hoover Dam. So we'll see if it happens. Stay tuned for more. Alright guys, check this out. I caught a bluegill. First fish out of Hoover Reservoir. Didn't come up nifty this time. Safe release. There he goes. Stay tuned for more. Alright guys, I'm out here at Alum Creek Lake to do some more fishing. Fishing spot number 2. See if I can catch any fish out here and mark another thing off my bucket list. My first time fishing Alum Creek Lake, see if I catch anything. Will I? Maybe I will, maybe I won't. Maybe I will. But stay tuned for more guys. Alum Creek Lake, guys. So beautiful. It'd be a lot better if Mother Nature quit making the wind blow. But overall, pretty peaceful. Pretty nice. Alright guys, fish number 2 of the day. My first ever fish out of Alum Creek Lake. This nice little bluegill on a nightcrawler. Safe release. There he goes. Stay tuned for more. Alright guys, here we go. Fish number 3 of the day. Fish number 2 here at Alum Creek Lake. Nice little pumpkin seed. There he goes. Live and well. Stay tuned for more. Alright guys, here we go. Third fish here at Alum Creek Lake. Fish number 4 of the day. Another little pumpkin seed. Little one. Kiss him for good luck. Release. Alright, there he goes. Stay tuned for more. Alright guys, fish number 4 here at Alum Creek Lake. Fish number 5 today. Another nice bluegill. Safe release. There he goes. Stay tuned for more. Alright guys, here we go. Fish number 5 here at Alum Creek Lake. Fish number 6 of the day. Nice little bluegill. Give him a safe release. Alright guys, stay tuned for more. Alright guys, welcome back. Right over here, I don't know if there's a bunch of spawning beds over here, but I caught like 5 of them over here. So, I've been catching a bunch over there. I'm going to keep fishing right over there. See if I catch more. Alright guys, stay tuned for more. Alright guys, here we go. Fish number 6 out of Alum Creek Lake. A reservoir. Another bluegill. Fish. Total fish. 7 fish today. Go ahead and release him. Head out of here. There you go, buddy. You're lucky number 7. Except for the one that got away. I would have had 8 earlier. But it is what it is. 7's still a lucky number. Alright guys, stay tuned for more. What can I say? God is good. I mean, look at this. Pretty neat, right? I caught 6 fish out of here, Alum Creek Lake. 1 fish out of Hoover Dam. So 7 fish total today. So I get to mark 2 things off my bucket list. Well, technically 3 things. Caught my first ever fish out of Hoover Dam Reservoir. Caught my first fish out of Alum Creek Lake. And caught a lot of fish and a bunch of fish out of Alum Creek Lake. So I gotta say that's pretty lucky. That's progress. Will I definitely be back here? Would I definitely come back here? Heck yes. And I'm gonna get some rest. Hopefully get back at some more fishing this weekend. If not, maybe following week. Anyway guys, that's a wrap on the fishing today. And I hope you all have a wonderful and blessed weekend. And see you all next time. Take care. God bless. Alright guys, I'm at the camp store here, Alum Creek State Park. Go in here and see what they got, see what selection we have. Stay tuned for more guys. Here's the camp store here at Alum Creek State Park. Pretty nice. Pretty nice. Pretty neat. Alright guys, we're doing more fishing. That's a nice little pond here. So here we go. Ready for more fishing. Stay tuned for more. Alright, here we go guys. Fish number 8. Largemouth bass out of this pond here. Nice little bass. Just a good look. Yep. There he goes. Alright, stay tuned for more. Got some Canada geese and some baby goslings. Pretty neat. Pretty neat. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you guys hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and drop a comment below. And from the bottom of my heart, I want to thank you all so much for helping me reach my goal of 400 subscribers. It really means a lot, and I hope you guys can help me reach my next goal of getting to 500 subscribers by the end of this year. So if you guys can help me get there, I would really appreciate it. I really appreciate all the support and everything you've given me here these last couple years on my YouTube channel. And it really means a lot. And I appreciate each and every one of you guys. And I hope you all have a wonderful and blessed day out there. God bless you all. Keep it outdoorsy and slay some fish. And namaste in peace. And always remember that God is good all the time. He is always good. And He has your back no matter what. No matter how hard you're struggling. If you're depressed or have mental health, note to self. Always stay positive. Keep moving forward and never give up. And if you guys ever need prayer, feel free to ask. I'd be honored to pray for you guys. But like I said, stay strong, stay positive, keep moving forward, never give up. God will always be there for you whenever you need Him. But anyway, guys, if you guys are new to my channel, you guys are new to my YouTube channel, and you like videos of train videos, fishing videos, food review videos, food mukbang videos, outdoors and hiking videos, as well as other videos including prayer session videos, prayer session live stream videos, and other videos as well, including videos of special trains and so much more. Make sure you guys hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and drop a comment below. And feel free to follow me on Twitch as well. I will also be doing streaming on Twitch as well. Feel free to give me a follow on Twitch, Outdoors with Austin Miller on Twitch. But overall, I appreciate all the support that you guys have given me over these last couple years on my YouTube channel. It really means a lot. And I have such wonderful friends in and around Newark, Ohio, and throughout Licking County. Even everywhere. I appreciate all your support, each and every one of you guys. And I hope each and every one of you guys has a wonderful and blessed day out there. And God bless you all, and keep it outdoorsy and slay some fish. And namaste in peace. God bless each and every one of you guys. You are awesome. You are all awesome, and always awesome, and 100% awesome. Alright guys, thank you guys so much for watching my videos, and I will see you all next time. Namaste and peace. Always remember that God is always there for you, and He's always good all the time. Stay strong, never give up, keep moving forward, and always stay positive. From the bottom of my heart, guys, I want to thank you all so much for watching my videos. It really means a lot, and I appreciate each and every one of you. And God bless you all, and keep it outdoorsy and slay some fish. And I hope you all have a wonderful and blessed day out there. And namaste and peace. Until next time, take care and adios. And God bless.